Welcome everybody. Today we've got Storm Shadow. I'm sure he doesn't need any introduction. This one's obviously very yellowed. Randomly it seems. Got one leg and 1.5 legs are totally yellowed. Back is not. Front is. Head is. Let's see. This is one. It does not have the nodding motion. Like I say, the one arm and both forearms actually didn't get yellowed. Like I say, it just seems to be randomly yellowed. I don't know how they decided on. I don't know how the yellowing works on this stuff. But get zoomed in tight on him. He's got various ninja apparel and got the throwing star there. I think he came with throwing stars as one of his weapons. It seems like he had he came with a sword and a bow and arrow and throwing stars. I'm not positive about that. That's I could just check. It's not like I don't have access to that on my phone. But yeah, let's say once they decided in the cartoons to make Snake Eyes a ninja, he had to have a rival. So that's what Storm Shadow was for him. Let's say I thought I had his all his stuff, but evidently I was thinking of Snake Eyes stuff because that's all I found. No real, got no real details on the back. Just the followed through with the sash and his stuff. All the cool stuff's on the front. His Cobra logo has survived. Like I say, I don't understand the randomness of what decided to go yellow and what didn't. But anyway, I say since I don't have any of his equipment, this would be a fairly short one. So thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.